Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for watching another one of our videos. This isn't exactly construction or carpentry, but it is a home repair. Our fridge shelf cracked the plastic, and I've seen people basically like use soldering irons to weld plastic back together where it's had cracks. And I've done this on one of my rigid toolboxes and it worked. So we're going to try to do that with this. So what you do is you basically just go around with a hot soldering iron. I've already warmed this up. And you can get these in a lot of different stores, Home Depot, Lowe's. I think this, well, Sears isn't a business anymore. Come on. You just got to line up everything the way it should be, and this is obviously a kind of a complicated crack, so I got to figure out how to get it all together in its right place. Did not expect it to be this difficult.
Put it through the top, man.
Now I'm getting heckled by the cameraman. Here's that part. See, I put part of... See, I told her we should just throw the fridge away and buy that new... I don't know what brand it is, but there's this new one that gives you fancy spherical ice cubes.
Not happening.
It's $3,600. Who buys a fridge for $3,600? I can buy 3 of these.
What? It's up to Daddy.
Oh, there it is. I had to force it.
Liam wants to know if he can videotape you.
Not right now. You've already done a video.
You did it the last time.
No whining, go on.
Yeah. And you guys get people motion sickness, so we're gonna let Mommy have a turn.
Yay me.
Ungrateful cameraman. Alright, so it's in. And that feels the best, so
Can I do it with the camera up and down?
What?
Can I turn the camera?
No, because then you'll mess with everybody. You'll have to like zoom in and get close. Can you see? Get in there. It's a 4K camera. Good? Alright, so we're just gonna look at that. See? This is obviously really soft plastic, because soft plastic melts a lot faster. So that's already together. I'm gonna do a couple of the corners to try to get it all lined up nice. How did this break, babe? Do you know?
Wyatt. I was putting groceries away and he was in his walker and he grabbed the stuff out of it. It was already cracked and he pulled it up and slammed it back down.
Nice. Sounds like he's in there laughing at me for trying to fix this. Okay, well, they're still plastic together, so I'm just gonna basically do that. You don't have to move too much, babe, because you'll make people nauseous.
What are you doing?
There's a crack there. Anywhere there's a crack, I'm gonna do if I can. Man, he did a number on this guy. Go back to over here. Because you don't want to give the crack. You want to try to get rid of all the weak points, so you try to connect them all back together. I'm not a welder, so if you're looking for expert advice, this isn't the video. But I've done this before and it worked, and it actually made my, like I said, my rigid toolbox, it actually made it waterproof again. So it was good enough. I didn't expect that to happen. I just wanted it to not have a big hole in it. I probably should have a fan going. Actually, we have a fan in the kitchen right there because our AC's broke. I should have the fan going so that this stuff isn't like just like smoldering into my face because of the fumes and all that good plasticky stuff. But I actually had it. I turned it off because you guys wouldn't be able to hear what I'm hearing me talk. I don't know if that was. That one's not really together well. I don't know if I can even. I'll just try to get it together. When you have 3 kids and your husband eats like a horse, you have to have all the shelves in your fridge. Probably need extra fridges. We actually do need another fridge, but it's because we need a beer fridge.
Check on your brother.
I think Yaya's playing with him, but yeah, check on him.
He's good. He's just sitting
Any other cracks? I thought I saw.
Down on the side. Or is that not a crack? Is that a crack?
No, that's a seam. There's a crack here though.
Mommy, can the camera see me?
If this video is helpful, like and subscribe. I know I do mostly things carpentry and construction and stuff, but if it's home related, I want to get it on here for you guys so that I can help you guys out, because I love watching YouTube for how to fix things. I refer to YouTube as YouTube University because I didn't go to a real college. And do the inside. I mean, it's already holding together, it seems like. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Are my big ears getting in the way?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's a crack. I don't know if I got it on the other side. This thing's getting warm in my hand. Oh, I didn't get this side. Man, he really... Why was the fridge open with the baby?
I was putting groceries away. And he wanted to help.
Mm-hmm. I guess I should have done this for the tool when I fixed the toolbox, but I didn't think about it. I like doing these videos kind of like on the fly. Like I don't have like a plan. Like a lot of YouTubers, they'll plan out what videos they're gonna do and they think real far in advance of how, you know, they're gonna get to you guys and show you what they're gonna do or whatever. But I'm just doing them based on how stuff comes along in my life. And when I think about it, I don't plan, and if you can tell by any of my other videos, I don't really overly edit them like I'm trying to read from a script or anything, because I want you guys to really get the honest view of how stuff goes, because life is not a fairy tale, so I don't want to give you guys a fairy tale perspective.
You already did.
Hi.
What's today, the 30th?
Yeah.
So today is June 30th, 2021. The reason, I think the baby just
Go check on the baby.
fell in his play yard. Jeez. Anyway, so June 30th, the reason I'm telling you that is so that you can correlate that to whatever day it is for you in the future. And if you don't see, what I'm trying to get at is I'm going to do an update if this breaks. So then you'll know. So let's say you're watching this and 2 years from now and you didn't see an update video. Well, that's because it's still holding up. Did I do that one? No, I didn't do that one either.
I'll get him in a second.
We're almost
I know
done.
Daddy's done.
We're almost done.
Okay. Love you, Mama.
Love you too. Go sit with him while we finish.
No, we didn't jump up and down when he fell because he's in a padded area. There's no dangerous stuff where he's at. So, like, these horrible parents hear their kid fall and are making YouTube videos. We know where our kid is. I don't know.
Those are going to be more fragile anyway with the front part.
Yeah. Maybe I'll put a... Well, I'm not going to do anything. Until this breaks again, I'm not going to mess with it anymore because I want to just give you guys this video and let you know how long it takes to break again. But my toolbox, it's been over a month. And it's almost always in my truck bed outside getting tossed around and thrown around, and it hasn't cracked again. So I'll give you that. That I can give you right now.
Are you done?
Yeah. So if this was helpful, these aren't expensive, these little soldering kits. It's way cheaper than if you were to, one, buy a new fridge or try to buy a new shelf after spending hours of your time trying to find it. So this isn't expensive. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and keep having stuff for you guys here in the near future. Thanks for watching.